Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a performance analysis on the latest AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor. The Ryzen 5 5600X uses AMD's latest Zen 3 architecture and comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, and operates on the base frequency of 3.7 GHz with a boost frequency of 4.6 GHz. It also features 32 megabytes of L3 cache and has a super low DTP of 65 watts. It'll be interesting to find out how this processor will compare against the previous generation of the Zen 2 processors. And of course, we'll test it against the Intel Core i9-10900K. So without further ado, let's put this into our test system, build up a test rig, and see how it performs. We'll see you in a bit. There's one processor that you need to buy for your gaming PC, then go get yourself an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This is one hell of a processor, both in terms of price and performance. And with a price tag of only $299, it's easily going to make its way to becoming the bargain of the century, and that's no joke. So let's see why I came up with this conclusion. Well, you get 6 cores and 12 threads, and a max boost speed of 4.6 GHz. As well as 32 megabytes of L3 cache. And don't forget, it comes with PCIe 4 support, as well as a super low DTP of only 65 watts. And oh yeah, it also comes with the Wraith Stealth CPU cooler included. And what's even better is that it's a drop-in upgrade for a previous generation of the 400 series motherboard, and possibly, rumor has it, that it could work with the 300 series motherboard too. Well, there's a saying, actions speak louder than words. Well, this is true with the Ryzen 5 5600X. During our benchmarks, it produced an impressive score of 7,954 on PCMark 10, with a Cinebench score of 1,821. For Passmark 9, we got a very good score of 6,835, while in Geekbench 5, we got a score of 1,560 for single core and 7,966 in multi-core. All in all, the Ryzen 5 5600X is quite a beast to say the least. If you look at all the pros and advantages, there's no denying that the Ryzen 5 5600X has a lot going for it. Retailing at around about $299, the price over performance is truly outstanding. I don't think there's an Intel processor out there that can beat it in this price range. Here's my final thoughts. AMD has again answered its critics and delivered one of the best gaming processors we've seen to date. The Ryzen 5 5600X features all of AMD's latest technologies while offering excellent value, amazing performance and seamless compatibility both with the 500 series and 400 series motherboard. You can check out our full review at amd3d.com. And there you have it. That was a quick performance analysis of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor. It offers great performance at an excellent price point of only $299. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.